One of my favorite things about this time of year is cooking in crock pots or in big cast iron pots, making soups and stews and chilies and making the house smell delicious and just having a big bowl of something warm and delicious. It's literally my favorite part of winter, especially when you go outside and enjoy the cold outdoors and you can come into something smelling yummy in the crock pot. That's a perfect winter day for me. So, what I want to share with you in this blog is a couple ways that you can get creative with your recipes. That is something I'm known for is tossing in different things all the time. I really never make the exact same recipe twice. I have some trends, I have some common ingredients, but they all have their own unique twist. And I love that about the meals is it can be really, really delicious. And then the next time you make something similar, you might have some different ingredients on hand and you kind of make a few adaptations. So, what I'm going to share with you in this blog is a couple of the ingredients that I like to keep on hand, that I like to toss into chilies that might be a little bit unusual chili additions. And sometimes people are even confused with some of the things I put in. My favorite chili recipe, I have it on my blog and I'll link to it in this blog as well, is a chicken quinoa recipe. It's full of beans and quinoa and it's absolutely delicious. It is definitely a favorite at my house. So whether it's something like quinoa or whether you put something else in your chili, I have a couple ideas for you to get going on your own creations and your own recipes. So head into the blog. You'll see some different ingredients that I have in mind. I'll link through to one of my favorite recipes and go ahead and give it a try. And I cannot wait to hear what you think. If you have a favorite chili recipe, I would love to hear it as well, or a favorite ingredient or special way of doing it, then please share with me as well. I would love to hear.